All right, let's jump into the following problem. What is the sum of the solutions of the given equation? Okay, so be very careful. Here they're asking us for the sum. Now we need to make sure that we're reading this thing very carefully. So once we get the solution, then we know that we're going to simply add them. All right, so let's jump into it. So to factor this, I'm going to multiply my 1 by 35. So if you remember, it's ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. My first step is I'm going to be multiplying my a times c. Here my a times c is going to be 35. And then I'm going to put my b right here. So my b going to be negative 12, which we can clearly see that. So now I need to find two numbers where I multiply, I get 35. And when I add, I get negative 12. We can clearly see that this is negative 5 and negative 7. So we multiply negative 5 times negative 7. That's positive 35. And when we add that, we get negative 12. So the question now is asking us to sum the solutions. Now, if the coefficient of x squared is 1, in other words, if a is 1, we can simply write this as x minus 5 as factors, x minus 7 equal to 0, and then simply solve. So this is going to be x equal to 5, and this is going to be x equal to 7. So here, my 0 is going to be 5 and 7. To sum those, 5 plus 7 is simply going to be equal to 12. So 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So C is my answer.